Hello friends, welcome to a fresh new episode of our channel RG Innovations. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. In today's video, we are going to discuss about IR sensor module. This module is used as a proximity detection module or obstacle detection module. The main component in this module are these two diodes. One of these is a infrared emitting diode and the other is infrared receiving diode. This IR LED works as a transmitter and this IR sensor works as a receiver. Infrared light emits from this infrared LED and then it bounces on the obstruction in front of it and then it gets back to the infrared receiver, and when the receiver detects the infrared light, the output turns on. This module uses a LM393 comparator IC for amplifying the output and comparing it with the threshold value that is adjusted by this potentiometer. This potentiometer is used to adjust the sensitivity of the IR receiver or adjust the distance of the obstruction. Here are two LEDs on this module. This LED is used for the power status. When the module is powered on, this LED glows, and this LED is used to show the output status. When there is any obstruction, this LED turns on, and when there is no obstruction, this LED turns off. This module is an active low module. That means when there is an obstruction, the output is low, and when there is no obstruction, the output is high. There are 3 pins in this module. You can see one of this is a VCC pin where we give the positive 5 volt power supply. The middle pin is the ground pin and the third pin is the digital output pin, which is either on or off. This module works in 3.3 volt to 5 volt range. Providing higher volt will burn the module. So that was all the theory part we need to learn about this infrared module. Now we will see the practical demonstration of this IR module. For the practical demonstration, we will use a breadboard. I am tilting the breadboard for the ease of viewing. Now I am connecting the IR module on the breadboard. I have tilted it so that you can view the status indicator LEDs. Now I will wire it up. First, I am connecting the VCC to the positive power supply. I have given it the power supply from an external 5 volt power supply source by these jumper cables. Now I am connecting the negative 5 volt power supply. You see, as soon as I connected the power supply to this module, the power supply indicator is turned on, and the infrared LED, this infrared LED generates infrared light which is not visible by normal human eye. We can see it in the mobile camera. As I am using a DSLR camera, it is not able to capture the infrared light. So I will show you in the mobile camera. You see, in the mobile camera, a dim violet colored light is being seen. Not the red light on the breadboard, that is from the power indicator, but the IR transmitter LED shows a dim purple colored light. So that infrared light is emitting from this infrared LED. Now when we bring any obstruction to this, see here I am bringing my hand closer to this and the output LED is turning on. I am bringing my hand closer to this and the IR LED is turning on and the output LED is turning on. I remove my hand, the output LED turns off. This is how it works. And this blue colored potentiometer is used to adjust the threshold or the distance of the infrared LED. That means now it works from this much distance. If I adjust the potentiometer, I am reducing it, so the distance will be reduced. Now it does not work in that much distance. I need to bring my hand more closer for this module to work. Now it is working at a very shorter distance. So by this potentiometer, we can adjust the distance of the obstacle in front of this IR sensor. Now, what I said, the module is an active low module. So when the object is closer to this, the output is low, and when the object is away from this, the output is high. To show that, I have taken an LED. This is the normal white LED. I will connect its anode pin to the positive power rail and the cathode to the output of the IR module. Now you see, when I bring my hand closer to this, the output is low. So the cathode pin is getting low power supply and the anode pin is high. So this LED is turning on. And when my hand is away from the sensor, the output pin is high. So it is getting positive supply at the cathode pin and positive supply at the anode pin also. So the LED is not glowing. Now when I am bringing my hand closer to this, the output of the module is getting low. So the cathode pin is getting a negative power supply and the anode pin is getting positive power supply. So the LED is turning on. So this is the basic functioning of an infrared module. These modules are very cheap and it's available in all the electronic stores online or offline. You can buy it. It costs less than $1. So you can buy it and you can build projects with this. These modules usually are used in the automatic hand sanitizer machines or in the line following robots or in obstacle avoiding robots or any proximity related projects you can think of. So apart from this simple application of this IR module, we can connect it with an Arduino also. So I will now connect it with an Arduino and show the functioning of the IR module with Arduino. So for this, I am now removing it from here. Okay, let it be there. So here is the Arduino. I am making it a little wider so that you can watch it properly. Now I will connect the power supply to the Arduino VCC and the ground. So now it is getting power from the Arduino. I am adjusting the threshold for a little more distance. You see, now it's working. And now I will connect the output to the Arduino. So I am connecting the output pin to Arduino pin number 2. I am connecting the LED in pin number 13 and the ground pin. Here it is connected. Now we will see the sketch and we will upload the sketch in the Arduino. So here is the sketch in the Arduino. I have used the pin number 2. So changing it to pin number 2. LED pin is pin number 13. And this is the code. So I am selecting the COM port. Board is already selected. Now I will upload the sketch. Sketch being compiled. Now compiling done. It's uploading and then uploading is done. Now we will move to the project section. So the sketch is uploaded and when we bring any obstruction to this, you see the LED glows. So in this way, we can interface an Arduino with the IR module. We can also reverse the project, like when there is an obstruction, the LED turns off also just by changing the code, or we can program any way like we want. So this was the demonstration of an infrared module, how we can use it standalone or we can use it with an Arduino. But the only problem with this module is this module is very much interfered by the daylight. Like if you are using this module in the daylight, the infrared receiver will receive the infrared from the sunlight and this module will not work. So we have to use this module in indoors or away from any source of infrared light. If we use it under direct sunlight, this module will always remain turned on. To overcome the problem, we have to use modulated infrared modules. So in my next video, I will show how we can use modulated infrared module with Arduino and in standalone mode. So those who are watching my channel for the first time or have not subscribed my channel, I request them please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of my video uploads. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends. And if you have any question or any query, please write in the comment section. Also, if you have any suggestion, do write that in the comment section. Thank you for watching today's video. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice time. Thank you.